Hi there, this is Steve from STO N SHO. We're out here at the Chevy dealership, and we're doing a fitment today on a 2024 Chevy Suburban. So this vehicle, being it's a GM, shares actually the same base plate that the Cadillac Escalade, the Yukon, GMC Yukon, and the obviously Chevy Suburban, but the fronts are all different. So if you have one of those different vehicles, make sure you order the right one, because the fronts will not work on all the different vehicles, but the bases will. But anyway, it's going to go lower center here. There's fasteners, and we're going to go ahead and get started with a fitment and show you how this thing goes on. Let's turn it over to Mike.
All right, thanks, Steve. Okay, so this one here is going to be using two factory screws. They're a Torx 15. We're going to be using the same factory screws. We're going to take them out, and then we're going to be putting them right back in. So there's one, there's two, and come out, and then we're going to grab the base plate. That's right here, and we're going to take the screw through the base into the hole, start it, and real important, you always want to start both sides before you start tightening up. You're dealing with a J-clip, so there's a little bit of play, so if you tighten one up before the other, you can have a problem getting them aligned. And you just need to, I always like to snug them up a little bit. There you go. And then these are going, like I said, they're going into a metal J-clip, so don't be afraid to tighten them up. They'll snug up pretty good, and you can see that's nice and solid there. And then put your front in, start it, get it by the pull pin, push it till it locks into place, and you're done.
Okay, and make sure that from time to time you lubricate your pull pin for maintenance there to keep it working. And if you go through an automated car wash, make sure that you remove your front plate there, because that will get damaged. And we'll get a shot from the front here. That's where your license plate's going to go on the front plate. And that is all you have to do. Fitment is done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket, like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring, and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.